Hello viewers, once again, good evening and good afternoon. I hope you're still following me on my videos, my video presentation, especially talking about skill in plumbing, a skill in plumbing. Okay, today, in the last video, I was showing you I was talking about mixer taps, okay, mixer taps. And also I showed you cartridges. I'll show you a single lever and also the double, okay, types of valves, which I remember I showed you something like this, okay, I showed you something like this, and I also showed you something which has got the cartridges inside. Now we are going to talk about installing a wall mixer or a wall mounted mixer. It doesn't matter what type of a mixer we are talking about. It could be a BB, okay, mixer tap, or maybe a shower mixer tap. So it doesn't matter as long as it's a mixer. So now my main business is to talk about a mixer that will be used as a shower, a mixer that will be used as a tap that will be used in the bathtub or in the kitchen sink. Okay, so it is a practical part now, so you have to be following me. When you're following me, I think you'll be able to learn nicely. So if you have a question, you can ask the question, you can subscribe, you can comment, you can share, right? So we are saying the installation of the built-in mixer provide for the creation of a small recess in the wall. In most cases, it is necessary to prepare a niche with a depth of 85 to 110 millimeter and diameter 110, 120 to 150 millimeter. So meaning that when you are preparing to fix the wall mixer tap, you need to prepare a wall. So a wall we are talking about a niche that is a depth of 85 to 110 millimeter depth. Okay, I think you are following me. It is necessary to lay trenches for pipes, but first you need to determine the place of installation rod are laid from these points to the central block of the mixer. Okay, so now what we are saying now, let's check on the screen. Let's check this. So this is the wall mounted type. As you can see, there is a point where you see the CPVC pipe fixed there, and somebody can ask, where's the handle? We are using this kind of a shower, a valve. Let me show you, sorry. I think you can continue following me. I want to check the other mixer, which is similar to the one that you are able to see on the wall there. Okay, so we are talking about this kind of mixer. Okay, this kind of mixer. I think you are able to see this kind of mixer. So let me just remove the components here. Okay, okay. I think this is common. This is a cartridge. I think you have seen the installation of this part, which is already in a wall. Okay, this part is already in a wall, and you have seen this part which is going up. Okay, what I'm saying is the part here. Okay, this is the part you are able to see. This is the part you are able to see, the one which I've shown you. Then also we have the other part, which is this side, and the other part, which is this side. These are the two parts we are talking about. Okay, left and right, right and left, and these need to be in a wall. Okay, like this. As you can see there, it is like this. Okay, in a wall. Now, since it's in the wall, there is a provision of the shower head, or maybe a provision of maybe a tap where you can draw water. Okay, where you can draw water. Now, as you can see, there's a cartridge which is actually fixed here. The cartridge is supposed to be fixed here, Okay, where is it? Okay, the cartilage is supposed to be fixed like this, so I can assume that it is in a wall. Okay, as you can see, it is in a wall, right? Okay, so now then this is where you connect the female adapter or the male adapter of the CPVC. I think last time I showed you a male adapter CPVC, which will be fixed this side and the other side. Okay, then also we need an elbow there, and should I show you something? Maybe some other flowers. Understand? I say sorry, because I'm still organizing myself so that I show you something which is very, very important. Okay, so I am talking about this. Sorry for delaying. This is the fitting I'm talking about. As you can see, the fitting that we are able to see the other side. This is the one, and also the other side. This is the one, the same. Okay, it is intensive PVC. Now, these two fittings is it has got a female, a male thread brass. And remember, even this component, this mixer is also a brass, so I have to use brass to brass. Okay, also after that you use glue now to connect the elbow, which you are able to see at this point, elbow there. Okay, I think you are able to see the elbow here. Okay, where is it? Okay, you're able to see the elbow there like this. Then it will go down again, another adapter on top, where the adapter will be fixed here on top and go to connect this point. Okay, all right. The other thing that you need to know is that after you do everything possible, I think now you are able to see the source of water positive. The other one's coming from left, the other one's coming from right. So as you can see now, he has done the connection of the cartilage. Okay, he has connected the cartilages. The cartilage is already connected. As you can see, all the system is complete there. And the other side, there's a plug. Okay, where you'll be able to connect something. There's a plug, a cartilage, and the mixer, which is this one. Okay. Apart from that, you need now after doing putting the cartilage, very nice. This is now the point. I think you are following me. Now you get this now fixing inside, so that now you can tie it. Okay, you can tie it. Okay, follow me nicely. So we fasten the plastic frame to the cylinder. So this is the cylinder. You are done with everything. Then we need now to put the flange. We need to put here, we are saying we need now to put a flange to the cylindrical body. The cylindrical body is this one, okay, of the built-in mixer or the concealed mixer. So it is just a language, ladies and gentlemen, just a language, a built-in or a concealed one, just a language. I think you are following me. Right now, using the special bolts included in the kit. Okay, now let me show you now the one which you are able to see on the screen. Now, my friend there is now showing you fixing that, which is this one. Okay, is now using the body, the cylindrical body, and also the cover, which is the flange. So the flange will be fixed here. Remember, the flange has got a rubber as well. Okay, with the nice rubber. so which would be like this. So as you can see, if it is like this, okay, the cartilage now remain, okay, very beautiful, looking very beautiful. You can even see in the background, even the screen you're able to see. Yeah, it's a mirror, okay, mirror type. So from there, I think for him we have used the cover, and the last part is to fix the cover. So like this one is just a direct one. After the concealed one, then you have to put direct, because the other one, the one which is showing, it is showing you that there's a rubber which will also cover here, the flame will cover the flame here. Okay, the flame will cover here. Then after that, then that's when you'll be able to fix this is the flame. That's when now you'll be able to fix this plate, the plate after the flange, because there's a flange. This is the flange, then the top cover, which will be on top. This is the end. I think you have seen they are very similar, very much similar. Okay, so the good part of this one, it makes the product, I mean the installation, to look very beautiful. It's a metal one, yeah, but the flange inside there is a plastic one, right? Okay, so you have seen the way now it's fixing. Unfortunately, the one which the way it is designed is quite different, because this one has got a flange. This one has got a flange inside, and also the top cover, which is this one. Okay, which is this one. Right? So don't be confused if you see something, a mixer with a flange inside, which is in plastic, meaning that that flange will first go into the wall and fix nicely. Then the last part will be the cover. The cover will be at the end, or maybe on top. So now after that, you are now going to fix. You are now going to fix the handle. You are now going to fix the handle. This arm for this. Okay. You are now going to fix the handle. I think you have seen the way I am doing, the same way the gentleman is doing. Now there's one part which you need to know. The bottom part here, there is an indicator, a wall, where you need to use a small Allen key, a small Allen nuts or screw, whereby we need to use now a screwdriver or the Allen key to fix, to make this handle to hold, so that it cannot come out when you are opening and closing the water. I think it's very clear and you are following me. Okay, so apart from that, we move forward. I think we have seen it's done. Okay, it's done, and everything there is intact. Everything is intact. So now you see the other part. Let me just go back on top there. You see this part. This part is made for the shower head, or for flexible shower or shampoo. Okay, this is the reason why there's this provision for a shampoo flexible cable, flexible pipe. This is now the reason why you are able to see now, after fixing this, is now fixing the what, the flexible adapter, and also the shower head there. So this is how things move. So from there, I think this is the end on how to fix the shower, or the concealed shower. If you have a question, ladies and gentlemen, you can still scroll down and check and see how more about this kind of installation. Okay, so for now, let me my video today is short, because I wanted to show you another thing, but tomorrow there will be another video. The other video will be talking about how to fix the trap and other components. But let me end with this. So as you can see, this is a pillar. It comes with a back screw nut that is actually holding this component. Okay, holding the component. Okay, this is the holder, and this is the rubber washer. So the components is held like this, meaning that the pillar tap will be fixed on top, then on top of the bathtub or the kitchen sink or the basin, then followed by down, followed by the rubber. Okay, after the rubber, then the back washer. After the back washer, then meaning that things have to go like this. Okay, number one, number two, then we have the knife now, which will now go and hold the basin, the tap on the appliance. Okay, this kind of mixer come with a flexible connector. The flexible connector, ladies and gentlemen, will be fixed inside. I think you are able to see the two holes. Able to see the two holes. So this is where the taps will be fixed. Okay, the taps will be fixed. Doesn't matter. So the red one with the red, it is for cold, for hot water. But if you find that it's like this, I think in my first video I said some are indicated red, that is specifically for red, for cold, for hot water, and some are specifically blue, which is for hot water. So there's supposed to be two, so one for cold and one for hot. So you fix like that. When you do that, meaning that now you are done with your work as a plumber. Okay, you are done with your work as a plumber. So the complete, this is the complete now, as you can see now. So down there, that's where now we put these angle valves. So the angle valve will be fixed here. The angle valve will be fixed here. Okay, so dear viewers, today I think you have enjoyed my presentation, and continue watching, continue commenting, and I think the next video will be on how to fix traps, traps which is actually used to as a water seal. For today we end here, and thank you very much. Enjoy your lesson. Thank you.